Hi guys, Veronica and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut a front neckline with a slit and with a facing. You are going to start by already having your cut round front neckline 3 by 3 inches. So from the bottom of your front neckline around the center front, you are going to go down by 5 inches and mark. Now go in with your scissors and cut through the center front and stop at that 5-inch mark. This forms your slit, your front slit. Now I'm opening it for you to see how our front slit neckline is looking now. So at this point yours should also be looking like this. Now your slit should be looking perfect like this. All we have to do now is to cut a facing for this front neckline slit so that we can finish off the raw edges perfectly. For the facing, fold fabric into two, right side to right side. It could be about 15 by 15 inches or just enough to cut our facing. Now we're going to place our main front fabric, the front part of our dress, folded. We're going to place it on that folded piece of fabric that we just cut for our facing, so the two folded parts will touch each other just like I am doing. This is how we're going to place it. After placing it, the main fabric on the fabric for the facing, we are going to pin down to secure it. After pinning, we are going to cut out the round neckline on the facing. Just look at what I did. Then you flip again to the other side, and this time is the side that has the facing that should be facing you. The fabric that has the facing that should be facing you, not the side that has the main fabric, because now we're going to be making some markings. Now mark about 3.5 inches or 4 if you prefer. I'm using 3.5 round the neck of your facing. From the center front of this your facing, you are going to mark down another 3.5 just as I did. Then from there you are going to mark a straight 3.5 to meet your round, that round mark that we just made. So see what I did, 3.5. so you see the curve and that's straight, so the curve and the straight line are going to meet. Everything is 3.5. so now we're going to cut. Make sure to check so that you are not cutting on the main fabric and you are cutting only the facing. See what I'm doing? I'm cutting it out carefully. Be very careful. Make sure you're not cutting your main fabric. So at this point, unpin, and we have successfully cut the facing for this front neckline with a slit. I hope yours is looking beautiful like this. So now we want to also transfer this slit to our facing. So just put it together and take your scissors and cut carefully. First of all, match to make sure they are starting and ending at the same place. Now we're going to cut our facing and make sure it ends exactly on that line, on that point where the slit on our main fabric ends. So we are done now. So at this point you can go on to iron your interfacing on your facing for this slit neckline. I'm also going to show you in another video how to join this facing to this slit neckline to finish off the raw edges beautifully. So you can click this pop-up on the screen or check the description box for a link to that video. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave your comments in the comment section below if you tried this my video and it worked for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you and God bless.